5 solid reasons why OnePlus Nord 2T is worth a buy. The global smartphone giant announced the launch of OnePlus Nord 2T 5G, the latest addition to the company's most affordable lineup. Are we in awe of the features? Starting at just 28,999 Indian rupee. The smartphone will go on sale on July 5th at 12 noon. Wondering what makes the smartphone stand out? We have all the deets. 1. Supersonic charging. The OnePlus Nord 2T borrows the flagship 80-watt SUPERVOOC fast charging from OnePlus 10 Pro, which powers the device's massive 4500 mAh dual-cell battery from 1% to 100% in 27 minutes. Yup, you heard that right. It's 120% faster than the original OnePlus Nord. The OnePlus Nord 2T is TÜV Rheinland certified and has 9 built-in temperature sensors to make sure the phone stays safe and cool during the charging process. 2. Camera par excellence. In this day and age, one of the primary concerns when buying a phone is camera quality. Luckily for us, OnePlus Nord 2T packs a futuristic camera with flagship features. We're talking about the same flagship 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor and optical image stabilization as the OnePlus 10R, a 120-degree ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel mono lens. Thanks to its Nightscape mode, MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, and AI computational photography, this smartphone churns out the best low-light images in the history of OnePlus Nord. You can also record high frame rate slow-motion videos at up to 960 FPS, and capture quick movements with great precision. Coming to the front camera, the OnePlus Nord 2T hosts the same 32-megapixel front-facing sensor as the OnePlus 10 Pro, which supports electronic image stabilization and an AI deblurring algorithm, improving the clarity and sharpness of photos and videos. 3. Display specs that'll win you over. Here's introducing OnePlus Nord 2T's large 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. This translates to buttersmooth scrolling and juggling between applications. The smartphone also features HDR10 Plus support, which enhances the overall streaming experience, be it Netflix or Amazon Prime Video. Rest assured that you can enjoy the vivid colors and exciting graphics on OnePlus Nord 2T. Lastly, the dual ambient light sensors on the front and back of the OnePlus Nord 2T automatically adjust the brightness of its display to suit your needs. Now that's what we call a smartphone. 4. OnePlus Nord 2T, a gamer's delight. In addition to the supersonic charging and stellar camera, the OnePlus Nord 2T makes for a competent gaming phone too. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, this smartphone hosts an octa-core CPU which provides better gaming performance, more efficient power consumption, and better temperature control with HyperEngine 5.0. 5. Good looks redefined. The OnePlus Nord 2T redefines sleek with its 8.2 mm thickness and 190 grams of weight. No wonder, it feels uber comfy in hands and super light in handbags. It comes in 2 gorgeous colors, gray shadow and jade fog.